Did you know your body can burn fat even while you sleep? Yes, you heard that right. While you are in deep slumber, your body is still hard at work, burning calories and shedding those extra pounds. It's true, you can turn your sleep into calorie-burning time. This might sound like a dream come true, but it's backed by science. Your body continues to function and requires energy, even when you are not consciously active. Your body needs energy all the time, even at rest. This energy is used for vital functions like breathing, circulating blood, and repairing cells. These processes are collectively known as your basal metabolic rate, BMR. This means you are burning calories around the clock. Whether you are awake or asleep, your body is constantly using energy to keep you alive and healthy. The amount of calories burned during sleep might not be as high as during physical activity, but it's still significant. This is your metabolism at work. Metabolism is the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. Even when you are resting, your body needs energy for all its hidden functions. And guess what? You can boost your metabolism while you sleep. Simple lifestyle changes, like having a healthy bedtime routine, can make a big difference. Drinking a metabolism-boosting beverage before bed or ensuring you get enough sleep can help. Imagine waking up lighter and feeling more energized. It's possible. By optimizing your sleep environment and habits, you can enhance your body's natural fat-burning processes. This means you can wake up feeling refreshed and a step closer to your weight loss goals. Keep reading to learn a simple trick to help you burn belly fat overnight. This trick is easy to incorporate into your nightly routine and can have a significant impact on your metabolism. Stay tuned to discover how you can make the most of your sleep time for a healthier, leaner you. Losing belly fat takes time and effort. It's not something that can be achieved overnight with a magic pill or a quick fix. However, there are ways to give your weight loss journey a significant boost, even while you sleep. By incorporating some simple yet effective changes into your nighttime routine, you can help your body burn fat more efficiently. These changes are not only easy to implement, but can also become a relaxing part of your evening ritual. One of the most effective ways to jumpstart your weight loss journey is by making small adjustments to what you do before you go to bed. These adjustments can help your body enter a state that is more conducive to burning fat. One easy change is to drink a special cup of tea before bed. This isn't just any ordinary tea. It's a carefully crafted blend designed to support your metabolism and promote fat burning while you sleep. This tea is made from a powerful combination of natural ingredients known for their health benefits. Ingredients like ginger, lemon, and green tea leaves work together to create a potent brew that can help you shed those extra pounds. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve digestion. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and can help detoxify your body. Green tea leaves are packed with antioxidants and can boost your metabolism. Together, these ingredients create a tea that not only tastes great, but also supports your weight loss goals. Drinking this tea before bed can become a soothing part of your nightly routine. As you sip on this delicious beverage, you'll be doing your body a favor by helping it burn fat more effectively. Plus, it's a natural and safe way to support your weight loss journey. So if you're looking for a simple and enjoyable way to help lose belly fat, try incorporating this one-cup trick into your nightly routine. It's easy to make, tastes delicious, and can help you achieve your weight loss goals more effectively. Give it a try and see the difference it can make. Belly fat can be incredibly frustrating to lose. You exercise regularly and watch what you eat, but that stubborn belly fat just won't budge. Many weight loss methods fail to address the root causes of belly fat. They promise quick fixes that don't last. You need a sustainable solution that works with your body, not against it. The good news is that certain foods and drinks can help target belly fat. These natural solutions work in harmony with your body's natural processes. Your metabolism doesn't clock out when you go to sleep. It continues working hard throughout the night. During sleep, your body repairs muscles, builds tissues, and regulates hormones. All of these processes require energy. And where does your body get this energy? From stored fat. By boosting your metabolism while you sleep, you can increase the amount of fat your body burns overnight. This can lead to significant weight loss over time. Section 5. Introducing the one-cup trick. Ready to discover the secret to burning belly fat while you sleep? The one-cup trick is a simple herbal tea recipe. The star ingredient is trick's main ingredient, known for its metabolism-boosting properties. Combined with a few other natural ingredients, this tea helps your body burn fat more effectively. The best part? It's incredibly easy to make and tastes delicious. You'll look forward to enjoying this soothing drink every night before bed. Section 6. The power of Trick's main ingredient. Trick's main ingredient has been used for centuries for its health benefits. It's naturally caffeine-free, so it won't keep you up at night. This powerful ingredient helps boost metabolism, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. By adding Trick's main ingredient to your nighttime routine, you can enhance your body's natural fat-burning abilities. Section 7. A recipe for a flatter belly. In this section, we will guide you through a simple yet effective recipe that can help you achieve a flatter belly. This easy-to-make tea can be a game-changer in your nightly routine. Here's how to make the 1-cup trick. This tea is not only delicious but also packed with ingredients known for their fat-burning properties. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, which serves as the base for our tea. Water is essential for hydration and helps in the digestion process. 1 teaspoon of Trick's main ingredient, which is the star of this recipe. This ingredient is known for its metabolism-boosting properties. Half a sliced lemon, which adds a refreshing taste and is rich in vitamin C, aiding in fat breakdown. And 1 small cinnamon stick, which is optional but highly recommended. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels and adds a warm, comforting flavor to the tea. Instructions. First, boil the water and pour it over the Trick's main ingredient, lemon and cinnamon stick, in a mug. Boiling water helps to extract the beneficial compounds from the ingredients. Let the ingredients steep in the hot water. This process allows the flavors and nutrients to blend together, creating a potent tea. Then steep for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger the flavor and the more effective the tea will be. Finally, remove the Trick's main ingredient, lemon and cinnamon stick, before drinking. Straining the tea ensures a smooth and enjoyable drinking experience. Discard the used lemon slices and cinnamon stick. They have served their purpose and can now be thrown away. Enjoy this soothing tea every night before bed. Drinking it before bedtime helps your body to relax and prepares it for a good night's sleep. And watch your belly fat melt away. Consistency is key, so make this tea a part of your nightly routine and see the transformation over time. Remember, a flatter belly is just a cup away. Section 8. More than just a flat stomach. This 1-cup trick is about more than just losing belly fat. It's about improving your overall health and well-being. By incorporating this simple drink into your routine, you can experience benefits like improved sleep quality, reduced stress levels, and increased energy levels. Section 9. Your journey to a healthier you. Remember, losing belly fat takes time and consistency. The 1-cup trick is a tool to help you along your journey. Combine this nighttime routine with a healthy diet and regular exercise for optimal results. Listen to your body, stay hydrated, and be patient with yourself. Every small step you take towards a healthier lifestyle brings you closer to your goals. You've got this. Section 10. Share your success story. Have you tried the 1-cup trick yet? We'd love to hear about your amazing experience. Share your results and inspire others on their weight loss journeys. Together, we can create a community of support and motivation. Let's work towards a healthier, happier us all.